is this? Hmm?
AirPods
AirPods? For who?
for you.
Oh, it's Valentine's Day gift?
Yeah.
Thank you. So expensive. Wow.
What mom said about that?
Mom bought that?
Yeah.
Oh, you picked it or mom picked it?
Mom picked it.
Okay. Good job. Thank you. Can I open it? Oh.
Yeah?
You want to see?
Yeah.
Oh,
What's that?
it's a sticker.
How does this?
Let's see. Oh my god, these are expensive.
How do we open them?
We will open that. Okay, bhai. Who is this? Hold on. Let's open. AirPods! Oh my god.
How did it pop?
Oh, this is cool.
Can I open it?
You can open it. Wow.
Let me open it.
Wow, this is cool.
What is that?
This is a charger.
It's a charger.
Yeah.
Oh,
Wow.
look.
Wow. This is cool. Oh, can I see? Can I see? Oh. Wow, this is cool. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, honey.
Oh, wow. This is amazing.
So you like your Valentine's gift?
Thank you very much. Oh, can I see this?
I want
Let this.
to close it.
You want to close it?
No, I mean I want to put it
You want to put it where?
inside.
Okay, wait. Thank you, Mom, for such an amazing gift.
Look, let me-
Amazing gift, an expensive gift. Thank you.
Where should I put it? Here
Okay,
or
put
here?
it there. Put it there. Where? Put it there. Put it here. Can I help you? Hold on,
No.
like this, like this. Let me show you.
Oh.
Like this. I'll show you one, and you can put the other one. Like this. It goes right there, and you can put this one. No, do not close it. Put this. Hold on. I'll hold this. Just hold this, and put this in here. Yeah, put it in here. Wow.
Can I hold it?
Yeah, you hold it. Oh,
I gotta shake
cool. Oh, okay. That's it. Ah.
that. I want it.
No, but this is my present.
No, I just want it. Save it for later.
Save it for later. My present. Papa will go to Walmart and get a case for this. Walmart have cases. Why mommy crying? Mommy crying? Oh, mommy, what happened to mom?
Nothing.
Nothing? You check your mom.